Clipdrop has come up with an Uncrop AI tool which can be used to expand images, and so far we know that Photoshop has this, also DALL E2 has this, but what Clipdrop is offering is for free and very easy to use. All you have to do is to go to open your browser, then you go to Clipdrop and you drop your image, and then you can expand it all you want. You can expand it or you can uncrop it, you can do what you want with it. Say you have an image with a small ratio and you want to increase it, and it will do automatically for you and generate the pixels for you. So this is quite easy, and at the moment you can only do up to 100 images, and the images will have watermarks. That is the free ones, but if you want you can be able to pay for the premium one, and you can do a limited number of images, and also they won't have any watermark. So for the 100 images, that is for a month. For each month, if you're using the free one, you can only do 100 images, 100 only images. That is if you're using the free option. But if you pay, you will be able to do more, and this is quite amazing. And maybe for photographers who forgot to carry their wide angle lens, they can easily use Stability AI to make the picture more wider and still maintain the coolness of the picture. This is quite amazing, and we know you can do this in Photoshop and also DALL E2, but they need you to have some more skills in the software. Unlike this one, you just upload and one click, then you download your image. So easy, pretty easy if you ask me. And I hope you can go and try this as well. I'm going to leave a link in the description. In the meantime, stay safe and see you in the next one.